While there is no direct fruit that can prevent eye flu, certain fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can support overall eye health and potentially reduce the risk of eye infections or ailments like conjunctivitis. 1. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are high in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and overall eye health. 2. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, carrots can support good vision. Spinach and kale. These leafy greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. 4. Blueberries. High in antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, blueberries may help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Papaya. Contains vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are beneficial for eye health. 6. Sweet potatoes. Another excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Supporting vision health. 7. Acai berries. Rich in antioxidants, acai berries may help protect the eyes from oxidative stress. It's important to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables to support overall health, including eye health. Additionally, regular eye checkups and maintaining good hygiene can help prevent eye infections and ailments.
Thanks for watching.